the victim's family and the families of the accused. Chakma's family continues to assert that racial slurs were hurled and have strongly refuted police's denial in this regard, while the cops shot down the racial attack angle, stating that one of the accused is from northeastern state, is from Manipur. The victim's family argued that the accused does not originally come from Manipur. They claim that the accused's family is from a Brahmin community in Bihar and later got settled in Manipur. Angel's family also contends that racial attack isn't a question of who belongs where. They accused the Uttarakhand police of trying to mislead. On the other hand, the families of the accused have denied the racial attack allegations. Times Now spoke to mothers of two accused people in the case. Here's what they had to say.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। हम भी इधर नॉर्थ ईस्ट के हैं, नॉर्थ ईस्ट के रहने वाला है। अभी इतना साल हो गया है, मैं उत्तराखंड में रही हूँ, 2010 से हूँ। हाँ। ऐसे अभी कभी नहीं आया। हाँ। कभी नहीं हुआ हमारा साथ। हाँ। ये गलत फंसाया गया है मेरे लड़का को। अच्छा। सूरज है मेरा लड़का का नाम। हाँ। तो उसने क्या बोला उनको? कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहा है। उसने मैंने नहीं देखा लड़ाई झगड़ा में, उसको ऐसे सिमट गया है वहाँ पे। अच्छा। मैंने नहीं देखा, बस दारू नीने गया था। पोता का उसका बच्चा का 1 साल का बर्थडे था। हाँ। और उसने मना भी किया था, अरे मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, बाद में दे दूंगा ना, दे दे। अब दारू नीने गया है, वो मुझे यही बोला है मेरे बेटा ने, मैं दारू नीने गया मम्मी, मैंने नहीं देखा लड़ाई झगड़ा।
रैंडमली स्टार्ट हुई फाइट को एक नक्सलिया वाद देने की कोशिश की जा रही है। जिस क्षेत्र में सूरज का जो इसमें एक आरोपी है सूरज, उसकी दुकान है, वो पूरा का पूरा एसटी ट्राइबल एक एरिया है। वहाँ पर एक तुराग इंस्टीट्यूट है जहाँ पर काफ़ी मात्रा में नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न के स्टूडेंट पढ़ते हैं। फिर वहाँ पर अगर अभी तक नक्सलियत से रिलेटेड कोई भी मैटर नहीं हुआ है तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ यहाँ पर ही क्यों इन दोनों माइकल और उसके भाई एंजल, जिसके लिए हमें खेद है, जिसकी डेथ के लिए हमें खेद है, हम उसके लिए दुख प्रकट करते हैं। लेकिन इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है कि किसी भी आप उसको इंसाफ दिलाने के लिए आप किसी निर्दोष को जेल फांसी पर चढ़ा दोगे।
We have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Accused father denies allegation, says son has been fake framed in assault case, and also claims that other boys were intoxicated. Racial angle once again being denied by the family of those who have been accused of killing Angel.
सर हमें भी सर ये बताया जा रहा है, हमें नक्सली बताया जा रहा है सर। हम भी एसटी जनजाति बक्सर से आते हैं सर, ठीक है सर। हमें नक्सली बताया जा रहा है कि क्योंकि मेरा लड़का कोई जानबूझ के फंसाया जा रहा है। वहाँ पे वे उसको ले गए अपने साथ में, लड़के कोई बर्थडे पार्टी मनाने गए थे वहाँ पे ना। तो फिर उन्होंने बताया कि मेरे लड़के ने बताया कि पापा हमें कि ऐसी ऐसी बात हुई वहाँ पे कि वे दोनों भाई पूरी पता नहीं क्या नशा कर रखा था क्या नहीं, और खुद मुझे मारने लगे किसी बात में। दारू पी के सर, दारू पी के पता नहीं कहेगा और भी नशा कर रखा था उन्होंने कुछ। वो नशे में खुद थे और अपना भी गिरा और सर में खुद चोट लगी। और बताया जा रहा है कि मेरे लड़कों को घुमा फिरा के ऐसे ऐसे कि ये वो करो, ऐसे ऐसे कि ऐसे मारा उनको, ऐसे मारा। सर देखो वो क्या मारेगा सर, वो तो 14 साल का लड़का है अभी।
Let's go across to Kritika, who's joining us in the broadcast with more details. Family of the accused say that there is no racial attack angle to this. And what does Bharat Singh, father of one of the accused, mean by saying other boys were intoxicated?
Well, Swati, this is what the family is currently alleging. In fact, multiple families that we have spoken to, even Suraj Khas's mother has said that his son is innocent. She's claiming that she's innocent and he's only gone to the wine shop to buy alcohol because his friends had asked him for a party on account of his son's first birthday. That is the version that she's giving us. And she's also saying that Suraj has said that he did not see anything happen. He was only buying alcohol. He wasn't directly involved. The mother has also said that whoever is responsible for the death of Angel Chakma should be brought to justice, but others should be let go. She's saying that because her son is also from Manipur, he was born in Manipur, she is from Manipur, they're also from the northeast, they know the struggles of the land as well, and that is why there is no question of, in fact, a racial discrimination on part of the accused group. This is what the mother is now stating. We've also heard Bharat Singh, the father of one of the minors in this case, who's saying that his son is way too young to have done something of this sort. This is what the accused family is now stating. They're both trying to say that they're also coming from the northeast background. They're also from a scheduled tribe as well. So the allegations of casteism and racism against them does not stand. This is not what they've done. The father has also gone on to say that both brothers were also drunk while the fight was happening. We know that Angel Chakma had consumed alcohol. It was also revealed in his medical report. However, what role did that play in the altercation is still a matter of investigation. As far as the police is concerned, they say that the fight lasted. It was a spur of the moment fight, not directly related to any slurs, but it was rather a misunderstanding. That is how the police has so far been investigating the case. Now we are also learning that they will be reaching out to Michael Chakma and his family as well to get more information and the specifications of the slurs that were heard, that were the cause of the tension between these two groups.
All right, Kritika, stay on with us. In fact, in a Mega Times Now Impact, amid this war of versions, it is learned that the Dehradun police will ask the victim's family to formally include allegations of racial slurs in their statement. SSP Dehradun has directed the new investigating officer to reach out to victim's brother Michael Chakma and record a fresh statement via video conferencing. So till now the police's version was that there is no racial attack angle involved, but now we're given to understand directions have been given to include that charge as well. The move comes after police noted that no mention of racial slurs was made by Chakma family, was made by the family in their statements to the police from December 9th to 26th. Police maintain that while the family shared racism allegations with the media, the same wasn't made part of the FIR, part of their complaint. The existing FIR only refers to casteist remarks without specifying the exact words or racial language used. Depending upon updated statement from the victim's family, additional sections may be invoked. Let's listen into the victim's brother recount racial slurs being hurled at the time of the incident.
हम लोग गए थे सामान लेने के लिए, तो हम लोग उधर पे गए, तो हम लोग अपना सामान लेते हम लोग के साथ उधर पे उन लोगों का ग्रुप था उधर पे पूरा, तो उन लोग थोड़ा पी रखा था उन लोगों ने, तो उन लोग हम लोग को मेरे को थोड़ा पोक कर रहा था कि मेरे को थोड़ा सा रेसिज्म कर रहा था, तो मैं थोड़ा अपने तरफ से अपने सेल्फ डिफेंस मतलब थोड़ा बोल रहा था कि भैया क्या वो गाली क्यों दे रहे हो, तो उनका वो प्लानिंग था क्या था वो मेरे को पता नहीं, पर उन्होंने डायरेक्ट मेरे में अटैक कर दिया उन लोग ने। तो फिर भैया आया मेरे को बचाने के लिए आया, फिर भैया को मेरे को कड़ा से मारा, लगा उससे, फिर भैया को उन लोगों ने चाकू मार दिया स्पाइन की तरफ में।
Now the Dehradun police will ask the victim's family to formally include allegations. You heard what Michael Chakma had to say about the racial slurs that were hurled at the brothers. Police also mentioned that there was no statement to the police by the victim's family on the kind of language that was used, the racial slurs that were made. This is what the police stated earlier. Remember, the SSP also rejected and dismissed the racial attack angle, but pressure was mounting on the police. And this is a massive Times Now impact. We're given to understand now that they are planning to take the victim's family's version afresh. Police maintain that the family shared racism allegations with media. The same wasn't made part of the complaint or the FIR. We're moving on now. We have breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Kharge has attacked BJP over governance. The chief of the Grand Old Party has put out a post, and on the last day of the year, he has hit out at the